Hey guys, I got my Paper Pumpkin kit from Stampin' Up, which is a monthly subscription. You could start and stop at any time. I started mine and stopped, but I picked it up again for the holidays. So this is October's Paper Pumpkin kit. You have to order if you like it by the 10th of the month. And if you're interested in finding out more about this monthly subscription, I'll leave a link in the description down below. So if you're interested in seeing what came in my box, please do stay tuned. Welcome. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner. So let's jump right in and see what is in this kit. You get a little clear block to stamp with like this, okay? I think I had used a different email address, so I got this little block right here, okay? So that's as if you're subscribing new from a different email address. So in this, you get a little Stampin' Up color spot, and this is in a dark brown. They call this Early Espresso. So you get a set of stamps, and this is pretty cool. Look, you have this whole big Santa Claus face, and you get Santa Claus here with the reindeers and a sleigh. Let's see what else. And I love that, Mary. Look at this font, and this ho 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 is huge and it's bold. I like that. And then you have Christmas and holidays, and the backgrounds are solid, so I really do like that. Let's see what else is here. Santa Claus is coming to town's holly holly. You get some snowflakes, you get some stars, and it says deliver to. 'Tis the season to be jolly. So this is a cool stamp set. You could keep that and use it throughout time. All right, it says you get a little welcoming insert. Thanks for choosing Paper Pumpkin, one-stop box for creativity. And it says here from the North Pole, cute. And I think this is next month's Paper Pumpkin, if I'm not mistaken, and it should have tags that comes in that. And it says North Pole Sacks add-on, so you could get these little add-ons if you want to order extra stuff that goes with your kit. It says create charming Christmas gift bags with the North Pole Sacks add-on. This is a cute little box. I love the candy cane stripes, and they have the traditional Christmas colors on this, if you like traditional colors. And this one is called Ho 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 October 2022. Look at this green. Isn't that beautiful? I think this may be their garden green. And it comes with the instructions. So let's open this up and see. Okay, so let's see what's in our kit here. So it's nicely wrapped. So this is the instructions here that comes with your kit. And it tells you how to put your Paper Pumpkin together. Your Paper Pumpkin kit together. So you have those directions that comes in your kit. And then it says right here, the kit components contain supplies for 9 cards, and it has 9 envelopes, all right? And they give you some alternate designs over here. So these are the 3 designs that they have the instructions for, and then they give you some alternate designs. So you have a hard piece of cardboard in here to protect your supplies. And let's see what we have here. Let me turn it back around the other way. This looks like we have some little embellishments. So it looks like some white resin dots. Okay, you have some little foam dimensionals. That's to help pop your layers up. Now let's see our envelopes. We got 3 of these designs, and this is in their crumb cake color. Oh, look at the front. That is so beautiful with those. I'm sure you could color those in if you choose to color those white floral there. I don't know if they're poinsettias. Then look at this beautiful blue right here. So you get 3 of these designs, and look at the sparkles. And I'm not sure what color, if this is the Coastal Cabana color. Then look at this red and blue on here. Love the stripes. You get 3 of those. Then you have your cardstock, and then they comes already pre-scored. So we get 3 of those colors. Then they give us some layers, I take it, to design the front of our card. They provided 3 of those. So this is vellum, and these are already die cuts in the shadow. Ho, ho, ho. I don't know if you could see that. Let me see. Let me put it against a darker color paper if you could see that. Then we have this cardstock right here. They give you 3 of those. And then you have some, look at this, other little cutouts that you could decorate the front of your cardstock with. Let's see, so we have 1, 2, 3 of those. Then we have this other design here. So they provided, it looks like 3 of those. Then you have some little tags, some green tags here, some white tags, and they have little stitching around it in green that you could put your sentiments on. Then here we have, let's see what we have, some more card bases. And I love that blue. That looks like pool party blue. And so you have 3 of those. All right. Then we have our little, we have some more die cutouts. The word joy, you have some Santa Claus, you have like a square right here. And some more tags cut out. And we get 1, 2, 3 of those. Then we have some little glue dots. I usually don't use this. I use my liquid glue. Then you have the words Merry die cuts and the word ho ho ho. Isn't that beautiful? We have different type reds, like Stampin' Up! Have different type red, and I love the variation of reds that they have. Now then here they have little snowflakes. So that's that in the kit, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like what you see here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos.